Here under Category Policy, you can manage the category permissions of all users and groups. By default, no users or groups besides system managers like yourself will have any permissions, so you will have to manually add them onto the SmartKMS system. Permissions range in degree from no permissions to category manager, but includes a separate review permission as well. Furthermore, permissions are set by category, meaning that they will only apply to documents within the specified category, not to those within any of its subcategories. For example, here, the user Peggy only has permission to read documents within the awards and certification category. Any documents within the template subcategory, Peggy will not have permission to read. This is not what you want, and you would like for particular subcategories of a category to share that category's permissions, then you must check the Inherit Permission box on all such categories. Returning to our example, by checking Inherit Permission here on Template, we are essentially giving Peggy the permission to read documents in Template as well. Don't forget to press Submit after performing any sort of modifications on this category policy screen. Now to explain the various levels of permissions. No permissions means that a user will only be able to see a document under the category tab, but will not be able to open or view it. Although there is no permissions options, here on the document permission table, any user or group that does not have one of these 4 other permission levels checked off, by default, has no permissions. Read only allows the users to read the document. May edit document allows the user to read and edit the document. And may delete document allows the user to read, edit, and delete the document. In other words, each higher level of permission includes all of the permissions of the levels below it. Also note that for these permissions under group name and user ID that overlap, the higher level one always takes precedence. For example, since Peggy is a member of the knowledge management team, she actually has category manager permissions, not just read-only ones.